Welcome back, Dreamers, and today we take you through step by step of getting the pop-up irrigation in our front yard to get that nice green lawn. Can't wait, let's get into it. So we've got all our trenches dug, and you can really see how dry this dirt is. It's really in need of water, so it's going to love it once we get this irrigation system going. Next up, we lay the pipe, and then after that, the sprinklers. And we use a 2-inch pressure irrigation line. We do this to keep the water flow and the pressure as far as possible. We then do the run to the sprinklers in 1 inch, again a nice big size to get as much flow as possible out to the sprinkler heads. Okay, so these are the sprinklers that we use. They're a Hunter product, they're a PGJ sprinkler. The deal with these is you have full control of the arc distance as well as the 360-degree circumference. So the easiest way to change how far the sprinkler throws, or the radius, is you lift this up and they have a nozzle embedded in here. Undo the screw at the top, swap the nozzle out. You can either get your spray longer or shorter to suit your needs. When you first set them, you have it turned all the way to the right, and then they go as far left as you need them to, which again is fully adjustable using the little screw in here. They also have a handy feature in the bottom of them. Have their own filter inbuilt, just to make sure that we don't get any blocked nozzles. Now we've deliberately chosen our sprinkler placement to be in line with our little plot gardens along our driveway. This is to ensure that when the sprinklers work in their arc fashion, they definitely hit those gardens to make sure that those plants are getting watered. When we install the sprinklers, we want to get the head of the sprinkler just on the ground level. Naturally, we don't want to hit that with the lawnmower. Now we separated our front lawn into 2 runs. We do this mainly for our Venturi system when applying the fertiliser. As we operate the Venturi, we have to cut back the flow to force the water through the Venturi. And if we had the whole front yard on one run, we'd have too much pressure drop and our sprinklers wouldn't work correctly. So behind me is a couple of days after the installation. I'm going to keep you up to date. We're going to do a time lapse of this front lawn to take it from the brown to the lush green in the near future. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, get all the notifications. Make sure you stick around for the videos to come. There's plenty of transformations on the way. I look forward to seeing you again next time on Billabong Views.
Welcome back, dreamers. Welcome back, dreamers.
Don't forget to subscribe